This dish is New York strip with spicy peas and mint and fennel puree in the meal bag by Herbal Chef. Chefs, here's a product that I believe that can help the restaurants and food service during these difficult times. This vacuum seal bag is unlike any you've seen before. It can be placed in the microwave, oven, or sous vide. Restaurants can use this for home delivery, takeout, or even grocery store fulfillment for 2 to 4 people. For example, I made a seared New York strip, spicy mint and peas, and a fennel puree. Because it's fully sealed, it stops contaminants from entering the bag. You can even seal between layers, create compartments to keep things separate. And if you really take it up a notch, logos and instructions can be printed on the bag. You can use it for frozen meal deliveries, fresh and ready meals, meal kits, or even batch cocktails, and you can only find it at theherbalchef.com.